mustard? Okay, this will be your mustard. Alright? Okay, next is pickles.
Pickles. The other one.
Okay, pickles.
Yeah, very good.
Hindi yan, pickles. Yan, alright. And this will be your reconstituted onions. Ayan, onions. Itaas ang onions. Kulitan, onions.
Put it up.
Onions.
Very
Yan,
good.
very good. Okay, for our next ingredient, our patty. Ayan.
Patty muna, patty.
Okay, our patties is made out of, don't eat muna, don't eat. Our patties is made out of 100% beef. And yung mga black na nakikita natin dyan is
Pepper.
salt and pepper. Alright? Okay, for our last ingredient, next ingredient,
You get the cheese.
cheese! Okay. Ayan. Cheese. Alright? Okay. For our next ingredient, ayan, our buns. Okay.
The buns.
So,
Pandesal.
napapansin nyo, there are two kinds of buns. Okay. So, there are two kinds of buns, the big one and the small one. Okay, I want you to, ayan, itaas nyo yung big one. The big one. This is called the crown. Crown. Everybody say crown.
Crown.
Okay. The crown is where we put all the dressings. Alright? Lahat ng ingredients mapupunta sa crown. Okay. Lahat ng nasa rubber is, alisin muna. Dapat walang laman to. Okay. Yan. Alright. I want you to get your crown.
Kuya, get your crown.
Get your crown. Ayan, dapat walang laman yung rubber. Walang laman yung rubber lahat. Ayan, alisin yung rubber. Okay. Dapat ang laman lang ng rubber is yung crown. Ganito siya, guys. Okay. Yan, yung crown lang yung laman ng rubber. Alright, ayan, ganyan. Pwede yung crown.
No, you put it here too.
Yeah,
This
it's
one
okay.
muna daw, this one.
You have two.
Yan. Alright, okay, Ethan.
You put it here lang, kuya.
Zion, flip it.
Ito lang. Crown lang.
Zion, flip it.
Ito, wag na ito. Alisin mo yung... Yan. Alright. Very good, Kuya Zion. Yan, very good, Kuya Gab-Gab. And very good, Kuya Deed. Okay. Ganito mo. Yan. Okay, ready na ba ang lahat? Okay. This one is called, get the little bun. Get the little bun. This one is called the heel. Okay, later natin siya gagamitin. Everybody, okay? Wag na akong mag-mic para makagawa si Kuya Derek. Alright. Makinig ng mabuti kay Kuya Derek. Wala ng mic. Okay, get your spoon. Yan.
Go get it.
Spoon. And your ketchup. Okay. Ayan, scoop your desired amount. Ayan. Kung anong gusto nyo, kung gaano ko gusto nyo kadami.
Do not eat,
And
kuya.
spread it on the crown. Ganito lang.
Very good, Gabriel.
Everybody, ganito. Okay, dapat ganito ang itsura. Look. Yan. Spread it evenly. Sa crown, kuya, sa crown dito.
Kuya.
Sa crown.
Ketchup first,
Yan,
Gabriel.
ketchup muna. Yan. Alright. Okay, next. Antayin kayo ni Kuya Derek. Ayan, okay, your desired amount lang. Yan. Okay. Next. Okay, with the same spoon, everybody,
Go.
with the same spoon, get your mustard. Get your mustard and get your desired amount, and at the same as the ketchup, yan, spread it evenly on the crown. Sa crown lang tayo maglalagay lahat, ha. Like this, everybody.
You
Look.
put it mustard
Yan.
first, kuya. The mustard, that one.
Yan. Yan. Everybody. Yan. Very good lahat. Okay, palakpakan muna natin sila, parents. Very good. Alright. Everybody look. Once you're done, spreading your sauces, I want you to get your pickles. O, patingin ang pickles nyo.
Kuya, go get your pickles.
Okay, I'll get your
Now.
pickles.
Go get the pickles na.
I'll get your pickles.
No, this one. This
Yan,
one.
pickles.
Kamayin. Kamay, kamay.
Kuhanin lang kamay, ayan. Alright.
No, put this down na. Go get it.
Yan, the crown. O, ganyan. Look, very good. Very good. Very good. Oh, yeah, very good. Oh, very good. Okay, if you don't like pickles, it's okay. Oh, okay lang kahit hindi natin ilagay. Alright? Okay, your favorite part. Next is get your cheese.
No.
Get your cheese.
You get it by
Okay, if you don't like cheese, you don't have to put it. Okay, I'll get your cheese. And put it above the pickle.
Kuya, go get the cheese, please.
Yan.
Get the
Okay.
cheese.
Everybody, dapat ganito yung itsura.
And the burger.
Yan.
Come here.
Yan. Okay. Dapat nasa middle siya. Okay, everybody, get your patty. Patty.
Go get this one.
Yan, and put it above the cheese. Okay, malapit na tayo, guys. Put it above the cheese.
Good job.
Good job. Next, get your onion. Onion. And, wait, pinch lang ha. Pinch your desired amount. Kasi matapang siya. You don't want too many on there, alright?
You put
ganyan
everything,
lang.
Mama wants everything.
Matapang niya. The heel. Very good. Sino may sagot nun? Okay, very good, Kuya Gavin. Okay, this is the heel. Get your heel and close your burger. Yan. Okay, dapat, wait, walang mag-flip. Walang mag-flip. Dapat nakabaliktad pa rin siya at the center of your wrapper. Okay, baliktad.
Put it in the center, kuya.
Good job.
Yan. Okay, everybody, I will teach you how to wrap your burger na. I want you to put your burger at the middle of your wrapper. Alright? Like this.
Put it in the middle first.
Yan. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Sa middle. And get the other end. Ganito.
Yan.
Everybody, look at me. Dito.
Kuya, look na. Look. Look.
Dito, baby.
Yan.
Hindi. This one.
Yan.
Yan. Pwede din dyan. Taas mo lang. Yan.
Kuya na.
Yan. Okay. Everybody nakataas na. And fold it over your burger. Like this. And hold it with your point finger.
Fold it,
Look.
kuya. Fold.
Like this. Yan. Very good. Okay. Next is get the other end. Get the other end and fold it over like this. Dapat parang na siyang shawarma. Look.
Shawarma?
Oh. Yan. Like this.
Good job, kuya.
The other. Yan.
Yan.
Hold. Ayan. This. Hold. Hold, Peyton. Hold it like this. The other end. Yan. Hold. Everybody. Like this. Hold. Yan. Very good, Kuya Alonso. Very good, Kuya Gab. And fold.
Fold pa kuya. Fold daw. Fold.
Fold ulit. Like this. Yan. Fold. Fold. Next step natin is get the other end and fold. Okay. Lahat okay na ba? Ready na?
Yes.
Sabay-sabay na natin i-flip ang ating burger. Yan. Tapos na. Okay. Very good, Ate Jada. Ang galing. Ang linis na sa kanya. Okay. Hold it. Go. Hold. Yan. Flip. Yay! Alright. Okay. Yan. Okay nun. PowerPoint.
Ay, talaga naman. You're not listening to mommy.
Good job.